You don't want your hat? You don't want your hat? Just put your hat on. Get back! Naughty, naughty. Great. Naughty, naughty. She got her little toy. Did you get my shoe? Did you get my shoe? Say hi.
Hi.
Hi to Sky.
Hi.
Where'd she go? Is she?
Thank you.
I saw you. Yes, here. She gets everything. She chews everything. Naughty, naughty.
Eat.
Sky, eat. Eat.
Sky, eat. Sky, eat. Sky,
That's her tent.
Sky.
She's going in her tent. Naughty, no, 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 no. She's going to get all your stuff. Come here. Peekaboo. No, don't get her toys. Come on. Hi, Kylo. Kylo, are you a good boy today? You don't know. We're sick. She's sick. She's been sick on her birthday too. What you doing? Huh? Peekaboo, we saw you. What was that? Hey, where are you going? She probably got her toys and she's putting it under. Did you get my shoes? Uh-oh, what are you doing? Sky, what are you doing? What did you get? Did you get my shoes? She got some of her toys yesterday. Are you a good boy today? I like chicken. Chicken? Food? Chicken?
Food.
Do you like chicken? Oh, he already had some chicken, so maybe
Where
that's
did you
why.
go?
That's why he's not responding.
Timing.
Responding? Oh, you learned a word. Good job.
Under the bed.
Under the bed. She's under the bed. Where are you, Sky? Sky?